I'm Tristan from Kamchatka Gear, and this little guy is the seatbelt stash pocket. It's made of extremely tough and durable Cordura fabric. It's got a snap top closure, and then a hybrid Velcro and button snap closure on the back that attaches to a seatbelt. It's great for storing cards that you still want to have access to, but don't necessarily want to have in your wallet all the time. I have a Costco card, a Sam's Club card, a National Parks pass, a couple of shopping cards, AAA card, things like that. It stores out of the way, but is still accessible whenever you need one of your cards.